Zotac is a company we've not looked at for quite some time, but it doesn't mean that we don't still love what they do. Today we're going to take a look at one of their newest additions, the GTX 1650 Super. A special thanks needs to go to Neo Computers, who were kind enough to loan us this unit to look at, but based on the new NVIDIA Turing architecture in a super compact design, this cute little thing is quite the powerhouse, and it sure did raise my eyebrows when it came to gaming capabilities. Although not needed, comes with a dual fan designed to create more airflow and longer circulation with static pressure optimized fans. I do, however, think it would have been fine with just a single larger fan design, although they do look kind of odd as two fans make a better looking GPU in my opinion. The wide array aluminium heatsink practically covers the entire PCB for maximum performance to make this card able to fit in 99% of all cases, not just because of its size, but its power efficiency and excellent cooling. So out of the box, this particular card is well built and well designed, and comes with a core clock of 1530 MHz, a boost clock of 1725 MHz, and 1280 CUDA cores. Having 4GB of GDDR6 memory on board, VRAM running at 12GB per second means this should be a fantastic card for 1080p gaming. So let's put it to the test.
It's a pack, just what we need.
Crest, 30. 6 left of a crest long. Caution 30, turn 4 right through very narrow gate. And crest to 6 right long, water splash 30. 4 left of a crest. Into cut 4 right long.
Well. So as you can see, this card is nothing to be sniffed at and only needs a 350 watt power supply and a 6-pin connection to help run it. Being able to support 3 displays via a good selection of ports consisting of one 1.4 DisplayPort, one HDMI 2.0B port and one dual-link DVI-D port to give you more flexibility. Being priced at £152.48 here in the UK at the time of this video, it really is a great pickup, especially for new budget builds, or for reviving an old dying workstation or office PC into a gaming PC. Well, my personal recommendations going off price to performance, I would personally pair this with something like a Ryzen 1300 or even a Intel 9400F, and there you would have a lovely sweet spot for a great 1080p gaming PC on a pretty reasonable budget. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, and a special thanks to the guys over at neocomputers.com for loaning us this awesome GPU for us to look at. I do recommend you check them out. They're a great custom PC building company with great competitive prices. The link to their website can be found in the description below, and also the Zotac's website for additional information you may need. Well, if you liked this video, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.